Hey guys, so I am going to the Health Expo right now. I'm ready. The girls are going nuts. My mom is here to watch them. Hey, you want to say hi? Are you going to be nice to Mimi? Come here. Oh, let's see where June is. Okay. June, are you going to be good? Why do they always have one sock on? And it's raining, of course, the one day I'm driving up to Orange County, but oh well. So I'm going to kind of just roam around and check out all the vendors. I'm so excited I get to meet Vitacost. I have been working with Vitacost for years and years, but I've never actually met anybody who works there. So I'm gonna hang out with them for a little bit, and then there's some other booths that I really want to check out. And Vitacost is having a dinner, so I'm going to go to that as well. So I'm excited to take you guys along with me and just share with you kind of what it all looks like, all the brands that are there, and everything. So let's go. Oh my God. Okay, I'm at the Angel Stadium right now because that's where we're supposed to park because it is madness. Like, there are so many cars here, I can't even believe it. It is 1 o'clock. It took me almost 2 hours to finally park, like from leaving my house to getting here. And listen to this, the whole time I had my phone plugged in because my phone wasn't that charged, and it wasn't like in the socket all the way, so my phone was dead. So it actually worked out that I had to drive around so much because I had to charge my phone. So I'm at 40%, so I'm like, this better last me. Okay, so we are at the My Shell booth, and I'm with Katie, and she has been talking about some of the new products and also just some of the really standout products. So tell them a little about this.
Oh my gosh, this is everybody's must-have product for spring, summer, really year-round. This is our Sun Chill Liquid SPF 50. It's such a wonderful liquid texture. The best part here is this color will match you and me and a lot of individuals.
And I feel like a lot of you guys are busy, you're moms, and you don't really want to use a million products. So this you can get, it's hydrating too, right? At the same time. So it's hydrating, you get SPF, you get a tint, so it's kind of like an all-in-one deal, which I'm all for.
Are we all?
Yes.
Simple, easy, effective.
If you guys haven't tried this line, this is from Giovanni. It smells like lemon pie. That's how I've always explained it, but it's so good for your hair if you guys have frizzy hair at all, and also it's super hydrating for your skin. So this is one of my favorites on Vitacost. I get it all the time. It's always in stock. So I made my way to one of my favorite brands, which is Happy Family, and I found all the baby products, which we use all the time. Did you want to take it away?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Thank you. So we're so excited. Happy Baby's been honored and had the opportunity to expand so much over the last few years. We've become such a crucial baby food within the category. Right now, our shining glory is the Clearly Crafted SKUs. Clearly Crafted expanded with the meal crafted this year, including granola and basil. We actually made the pouch clear so you can actually see the product. Because a lot of moms are really worried, what's going into the product, I can't see it. Put the premium ingredient second. This is the order of predominance of what's actually in the pouch. So the crucial ingredient, the premium ingredient second. And then on the back, you can see a little bit of a recipe on what's actually going in there.
And down here are like the things that we always have on hand because they're so easy when you're on the go. The yogis are our favorites, and the creamies. My girls eat them like candy. It's nuts. And then the puffs are great to take with you when you're traveling. They kind of act like a toy. The girls too. Like if they're getting restless, they just hand them a bottle of that, and they love it. so nuts. I'm going to another location that's like the new products. So we're gonna go over there and see what that's like. I spent some time with Vitacost, obviously you guys saw that. And now I'm just kind of roaming around by myself. And the rain stopped, luckily. So hopefully I don't get lost. Don't know where I'm going. Okay, so I just got down from the upper level and there's a whole nother level down here. And this is a completely different building. Like, this is seriously nuts, guys. Okay guys, it's 6:30. I have not been out of the house this long and I don't know when and I don't know what to do with myself. Dinner is still not in 30 minutes, for 30 more minutes. So I just went to South Coast Plaza because I was at the Expo for enough time. I talked to so many brands, which was so much fun, and also just like I learned a lot. I went to Baby Gap, got a bunch of stuff for the girls. I went to Zara and I got stuff for myself, which I have not done in so long. I always buy clothes for them. Went to Starbucks because I needed coffee now because I have to drive home after dinner. And the line at Starbucks was so long, so I went to Boudin. Is that how you call it? Boudin. But I'm super excited to go to dinner with Vitacost. It's kind of like a recognition dinner for all the people that they've worked with, and I'm just really excited. I just love Vitacost so much, and you guys know that I talk about them all the time because I shop there all the time. You know, you email people back and forth for years and you never even see them in person, so it's so nice to meet them all because they're all in Florida. So anyways, and if you notice, I changed my shirt. I got the cutest things at Zara. Maybe I'll do a little try on haul or something. Let me know if you guys want to see that, but I got the cutest jacket. It is so nice. Oh my gosh. This is my first time ever buying anything from Zara for myself. I've only bought the girls stuff, but I love it. I'm so happy. I am home. It's a little past 10. It was a long drive just because it was raining the whole time. And I hate driving in the rain. I love the rain, but I hate driving in it. It was a great time though at dinner. It was so nice to meet everybody. My voice is shot. It's time to go to bed, but thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today, and I will talk to you very soon.